Today let's explore git add command with two different options. One is star, other one is dot. Git add dot stages all the files in working area including hidden files, whereas git add star stages only normal files which is not going to include hidden files. That's a major difference. Let's see these two commands in action. I have a local git repository. Let's see the status using git status command. There are 3 files, out of which 2 files are normal files, 1.sh, 2.sh. Other one is a hidden file, .abc. Let's use the command git add star. This command is going to stage 1.sh, 2.sh because it's not going to pick hidden files. Enter. Check the status. .abc is ignored. Now let's try git add dot. For that, let me bring files from staging area to working area using git rm -- cached command. Check the status. All files are in working area now. Git add dot. Now see the difference. All 3 files are staged. 2 of them are normal files, one is hidden file. That's the difference. Thanks for watching.